In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the food spot on Doordash. So the way Doordash works is that it's automatically going to give you the restaurants that are closest to you. Let's say, for example, you wanted to eat McDonald's. It's automatically going to give you the McDonald's that is closest to you. But if you want to actually get your food from a different McDonald's location, here's what you would need to do. You would need to go ahead and change your address because Doordash is going to generate the results based on where you're currently at. So to change your address, you want to go over here to the top menu, select on it, and then you want to go ahead and either add a new address or use your current location. So you could use your current location if you're closer to the new location, or you guys can add this plus button that says add label, and you can add an area next to the restaurant where you want to order. And then you can go ahead and select on it. And then from there, it is then going to give you that different restaurant location. So I hope that does make sense. You could also go ahead and set something for work. So if there's a place in your work, you can go ahead and set your work address as well, your home address, etc., or any other address as well. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.